You have to get eyeballs on the treatment that you provide. I just spoke to Dr. David Schwartz, the outgoing president of AADSM, talking about how we can get the medical community to recognize oral appliance therapy as an incredible treatment option for their patients. And we talked about patient awareness. The more eyeballs that you can get on the treatment that you provide, the level of awareness in the community is going to raise, and they are going to talk to their doctors about it. They're going to call your office directly. The best way to start generating those conversations with the public is through targeted advertising on social media. Facebook and Instagram is where your target demographic lives. Almost 60% of users on Facebook are 35 years and older. On Instagram, it's about 46% are 35 and older. You can create a targeted advertisement. This is what Dental Sleep Profits does every single day for our clients, with an educational focus. And you get those people reaching out to you, requesting consultations. Most of the time, they've already been diagnosed, because through targeted advertising, you can target people who are talking about the topics that are related to obstructive sleep apnea and the associated comorbidities. So that's the third thing, is targeted advertising. If